Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharonda, but you can call me Scoosa. And on today, I'm going to be trying these tattoo edges. So I ordered them from Amazon and I got 5 in the pack. This is what they look like. As y'all can see, I have my little eyebrows tattooed. So when I saw the edges, I was like, let me go ahead and give them a try. Just so I can let y'all know what's up. So if you want to see these, then stay tuned. So I think I'm going to try these maybe. These or these. I think I'm going to do these. I think I'm going to try these. So they didn't come with instructions, just like the eyebrows didn't come with instructions, which suck. But I think I'm gonna just apply them like, you know, a regular temporary tattoo. They should all be applied the same, just with water. If I can get it up there. I seen these things all over Facebook, and I was like, let me try it. Just for something to do. Y'all know I'm always trying something. Like I said, I did the eyebrows, I done pierced my nose. I don't know. Whatever I see and I think it's interesting, I'm gonna try it. So, and I'm gonna put y'all on game, of course. Oh shoot. So of course, as all tattoos, you have the little plastic covering. So I'm gonna just cut it right down the middle. I'm gonna try to take some more off. This is what it looks like, but I'm gonna try to take some more off. Okay. So I'm gonna leave one like this and I'm gonna use one that's more detailed. You already know my little thin edges. I ain't got edges anyways. I'll pull this back like that. Trying not to put it on my hair. It's a mirror right here. My hairline is funny, so like I need this to go further back, like right there. But then I need this to come out here. So I don't know, we're gonna have to make this work though. So I think I'm gonna do it like this. So let me take the plastic piece off. Sticking to me. Oh shoot. Okay, let's see. And I'm gonna use my makeup brush to apply it. Here we go. It's lifting already? I'm scared. I didn't feel like that was long enough. Oh shoot. But it's lifting already, so it must be ready. So let's see. Oh my God. That didn't stay on long. You see a piece right there. But you get the picture. Let's see. Let me see if I can get this to stick. So despite that little space right there, this actually looks, let me see. And you never know. And let's do the other side. I just went in with my pencil, my dark brown pencil, and I just filled this in, so can't even tell. But let's do the other side. I should have did this one a little further back. But y'all see what I'm talking about? My hairline is so retarded. It's out here, then this part goes back, and then this comes back out. So, like, I should have had the tattoo. I don't know, because I think some people said you can, like, go in and, like, cut right here and place it, then cut right here, then place it. But I ain't feel like doing all that. So, but let's see how it looks. I would definitely do this for a quick run to the store. Tie my hair up and go. Nah, I'm lying. This ain't my cup of tea. But I mean, you know, it's a little white right there. Ooh. So yeah, and like I said, it didn't come with any directions, but other videos on here said to use oil to remove. So I'm about to try some extra virgin olive oil just to see if it'll come off. Oh shit. Okay, so you really have to scrub to get this stuff off. And I'm gonna assume that they'll last the whole day, just like the tattoo eyebrows, because I put the eyebrows on and they'll last the whole day until, you know, I'm ready to wash my face before bed. So I predict they'll probably last all day too, especially with how I'm having to scrub just to get this stuff off. So my honest opinion, I would give them 7.5 out of 10. They just wasn't my cup of tea, which is why I'm giving it 7.5. But I mean, there's other girls out there who like to keep their edges laid, you know, who don't know how to lay edges and they would prefer the tattoos. So I mean, if y'all like it, then you know, go ahead. If you like it, I love it. But I mean, I get the point of them, you know. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see what other great content I have coming your way. And until the next video.